Guys, it's Anafan here from Tech Chapley. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your YouTube name on your Android phone. So let's get started. Okay, you come into YouTube app on your Android and click on your account here. Then you click on your channel, and then here on the channel you will see a gear icon next to your name, your channel. So click on that gear icon and it leads to the channel settings. Way in here you can click on the edit button. Changing your name, you shouldn't change your name very often because YouTube just allows you to change 3 names in 90 days or in 3 months. And also one of the tips here is, like, when you're starting your channel, you should think about a brand name or a name that has a brand in it, whether that is for yourself or something that related to the thing that you're doing. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Anfan from Tech Chapley, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.